Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Hashnode login problems, domain and account errors step by step clearly.
Begin by checking your internet connection.
Make sure you are connected to a stable network.
Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Hashnode login page. Enter your email or username in the appropriate field. Input your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos.
If you encounter an error message, note its specific wording.
For domain errors, verify that your custom domain is correctly configured. Check your domain settings to ensure they match Hashnode's requirements. Access your email account linked to Hashnode. Look for a verification email and confirm your address if necessary.
If you're still having issues, consider using a different browser. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then retry logging in. If problems persist, reset your password using the Forgot Password option.
Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password.
After resetting, return to the login page and input your updated credentials.
If login still fails, check for any ongoing issues on Hashnode's status page. Visit Hashnode's Help Center for further assistance.
If needed, reach out to Hashnode support with a detailed description of the problem. Include information about your domain and any error messages received. Patience is key as support teams may take time to respond.
Once resolved, ensure you log in successfully to your account.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.